When I'm talking to dealers about their video marketing strategy, the feedback I get is that the biggest pushback is that their people, believe it or not, are often afraid of the camera. They may be great in person, they may be great on the phone, but all of a sudden we introduce a camera and all of a sudden people just really freak out and get camera shy. So that's probably the biggest obstacle that most dealerships need to overcome, is how do we get a strategy in place where we can use our people but still overcome that obstacle. So what we've done is we've created some features where you can take existing videos, whether it's, if we're talking value proposition videos, and your owner, your general manager doesn't want to sit down in front of the camera and talk about the store and talk about the value propositions in front of the video camera, then you can simply piece together a video of photos of the dealership, the story, the history of the dealership, some testimonial content, maybe use some photos of the owner and the owner's family, things of that nature, and then just have them re-record an audio over the top of a video, so they're not actually having to be on camera to add the audio layer. So that's one way for if we're talking lead response videos and we're talking the BDC department, the BDC team or the sales team for video walkarounds or lead response videos. It's really the same thing. You take the inventory video that already exists, whether we're talking a stitch photo inventory video, whether we're talking a live video walkaround that's already been shot to use for the VDP page, and just have that person re-record the audio layer. We've created features where the video will actually play. They can watch the video that's playing and talk about what they see without ever having to physically be on camera. And that puts them more in a comfort zone. It puts them more in the environment that they're used to being in, where they feel more like they're talking on the phone or doing talking to somebody in person or live. And they're able to produce some great content just with that, removing that one simple little factor of the equation, and that's there's a video camera looking at me right now as I'm talking. So that is without question the biggest obstacle for live video, custom live video content at the dealership, whether it's value proposition video, even testimonial videos, or inventory video, lead response videos, things of that nature. So we just we remove all those things out of the equation and we make it easy.